Hello friends, this is Amarnath Kumar. I am going to talk about plane crash in China. This is flight number MU5735, Boeing 737, 132 on board. Crashed today in China. The flight was scheduled to Kunming to Guangzhou, and it was flying at cruising altitude 29,100 feet, 843 km per hour, and it suddenly started to lose altitude very fast. This happened. There were videos circulating on social media, Twitter. You can see in video the chance of survival is very less. Nobody can survive at this temperature. There were fire all over in the forest. So no chance of survival are not reported anymore. What happened? How many passengers have survived? Or are there any survival? The flight radar 24 has shared a data on Twitter, and as per their data, the descent rate was minus 30,976. The maximum descent rate minus 30,976 feet per minute. At this speed of descent rate, the person on board may die due to the gravity and everything. So no chance of survival. They may have died in the plane itself. Within 1 minute, aircraft crash. 29,102. It crashes at about 3,500 feet. It's a hilly area. So no chance of survival. And see the another video where some structure of aircraft found. There are mark of aircraft sliding in hilly area. How this happened and why this happened? An aircraft which is flying at 29,100 feet and suddenly started to lose altitude very fast. What were the probable cause? Nosedive condition. Another video shows in a CCTV, the aircraft is falling like rocket. It's a very short video, and you can see this video. There are three probable causes for this accident. In my point of view, one is stall, other is pilot knowingly crashed the plane. He decided to suicide by diving the plane and choose to die. And third is structure failure. By any cause, by any means, missile or sudden structure failure. Stall, I don't go for the stall because aircraft was flying at 843 km per hour. For stall, aircraft will reduce slowly, speed will reduce, and then it will lift lost, and then it will die. But in this case, aircraft was flying at 843 km per hour. So no chance of stall. A structure failure may happen. Elevator damage, yeah, sudden blast, anything. But in the video, there were no any sign of fire. So it's very difficult to say what happened. The last chance, the pilot may decided to crash the plane. He chose to suicide. This may happen if only one pilot in the cockpit, other is in toilet, and he decided to do so. Or pilot cabin door locked and pilot got heart attack and leaned down on the control. This may be chance, nose down condition. Pilot died in the air. This may happen. The clear figure will come after recovery of black box and analysis of data. It may be clear and everything will be clear after recovery of cockpit voice recorder, what happened and who were in the cockpit. But right now it's a very sad news, and it's a very sad news and very unique type of accident where plane is falling from the sky at 30,976 feet per minute. We will wait for the final data. Till now, you all can think what happened to this plane. Please subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon so you can receive the future video reference. Thank you.